A soldier for our more Bema camp. Yasuma mo say mema ma. Omuntinsi krom na omunko pie mo Adansi awo Obuasi. Na asode fo na kwa koduru. Na omubotai na ba akopɛ. 1. Ghana fo akasa, Ghana fo so beso mu hu. Den ne seaporte. Enti wan mu na betima akwa esansi hwɛ mu e de amaye. Wan mu biu, this mema mana. Enti omo amu de hye baako 3 ana na ka ho crew na no omode nipa 5 a omo government appointees e ko no e omo nkrofo plus the ohwo mu ina so Minister of Defense Dr. Maneboama omo the message abeto omo social media handle X no so pay tribute e de ma san nkrofo baako 80 obia de ne de candle kakra de si actually design na na image e da ho kama omo ni na omo wi no mo se omo ko sikaman crash site honum bebia forest no sikoko fu yes bebia semni siye no omo kodu ho na omo ahwede ko so ankasa omo ye omo investigation because helicopter ni tufri omo aso ye no ekwo no mu hu ya kwisi ebedu ebi erae ansa no omo de let ebra eba beto abonten se helicopter na eco program bi sei ayira a efiri o masoye etire na news no ba se de asi amanipa nwotwe 8 ewo nyina no obi ahwere ne nkwa enti nani ameka sei omo ntwan ma ne nkoye 3 days na evidence na afri site ho de omo tie sikuro no so omo godu no assemblyman awo kromoni omo a asemisi ye no omo afum ana omo directions omo guidelines awo mebo omo lead omo to bia ho amama kwa wese dey ni see yankasa because Ghana for so mu answers omo ankasa mu answers.
The background you can see some military officers and a team of investigators from the Ghana Air Force who have arrived here some minutes ago, and they are preparing to go uphill where the incident happened. So you can see the team in shots. We are told we have officers from the Ghana Air Force, and these are some of the pilots who also operate within that space, who are coming to join the military officers here. They are going to the crash site to do their own assessment of the place. You know, the military officers were maintained here because they wanted to protect the site, and that the debris of the plane parts that were scattered all over the place are not touched, so that when they come, they will have ample time to do their investigations and get the information. But quickly, let me speak to the assembly member for this community. He's going to join the team. He's set. He has put on his attire and is joining the team. Just 1 minute, assembly member. I'm call the back channel 1 TV. So, moko hono no say more information say mo pese obian ko site need to say.
Oh, share me no ka say the site no dey boko. Nti afini any team no ekọ akọhwe dey bitumi ayafa on information omo pe no e de be mo e de akọ.
No say mo ya announcement say mo obian Akrofuom no anapa e de na ekọ.
Oh, anapa obia emfasa akọ no so omo ti na sopem. Say the empenifo no epese omo yemo omo no oman no agye atum say omo so said the ade na si ne arehu nti se empenifo aka nyem say omo nkwa omo so ti na sopem ti anapa yi be si sabre ya me no ka say obi amfa akọ no so.
Say na mo se be boa team na abai am ko investigation si.
Oh, and what we want said, dear, omo pefri and chambia no I said say the mom nti me no ka say enra me ko ho be 10 o'clock 10:30 mo ho me firi ho be 6:30 anapa so ya todwumi di ne so team na ba me san ne omo akọ kopim say de omo pene mo sabe kan sana yenso ya ho me kakra
na banza die stenga na kin matala la kama da ala uta fanfa ziwa wono kule
Maxi. Yeah, deal.
you know what you are now.
No Ukraine meaning the Ghana for ampa obi answers. The see enye the Ghana ye taye de bia no and ba ye fama nyame ahe ye da ma nyame ayabre. Inti be bia duru no. We have to know. We must know. Game party na see. Now before that, Honorable Vincent Asifua. Okasafa asase mi hu. Our parliament, our defense minister by parliament. Was say obuso maintenance no. Moka asese say kakra wo ho. Maye. Na minister of defense man na tia say look. Ye helicopters ne ye jet ne ye flight gugu honum. Ebi ye 15 years plus, especially the can once me 15 years anisa. Enti ubetima ye ne but chana sa say because enya machine no. We ni nsema business for bua ebisa ye. We su ni nsema the minister of defense if as year.
Minister, I want to ask, these defects that you outlined, does it have anything to do with the previous administration's inability to follow the maintenance protocol? Because I remember that before relax. I remember that at a point in time, excuse me,
Honorable,
at a point in time,
Honorable Minister,
you mentioned
Honorable
that the
Asafwa,
private jet
I think you've asked the question.
Is now serviceable and you could use
You
it.
have asked the question. So, Honorable Minister, your answer.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the aircraft is almost 15 years old. And if you check the various delays that it has suffered, as in when it goes for maintenance, repair.
Na just say ni ni pass say tomono. Ana yanto. Because you see either that na omampani mu a jet. Ye soldiers for mu a jet ni helicopters. Ye mfa ho hwe unyi a ye ni besi. NPP a communicator and say we ono tama NPP wa mamu. We dey nyu obi say ono ase no mo ko hajj au meka. Na omofa soldier for no jet ni bi ewurade nankopon. O se kutu se wosu ase trotro ka bi enam La Paz ko Medina. Ntosi enye eni kwa class ke twema ni bi sin ne. Omo yam no. Ya ntomo na mo de asembe ba daache. Ba se yempese be tie. O se too old. Maintenance so so anye. Anso ne nsem o kai ni. Tise wa hwe a. Ya se ni mu bi o. Na nke betima tomo no by the politics. The SC NSC. Say ye ne dada. Say enye ne dada. Soldier for ekwa ko investigation. The results in the aba. Mpacho for comment to comment section I say account. Emma feel say no. We a accident and an accident. Then a wadrin ye ho. Media me hu say akwana sem ma o kan say eye dada impossible. Say e don't bit my problem. E bia na so wadrin say e bit my terrorist for and e cause confusion. The wadrin you bia for to comment section I say subscribe, like it, na share ma unya enye behwe. We a naked truth. Our Oldboga trends macro. Bye bye.